Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to mount a SIG Romeo Zero red dot sight on your SIG P365. Pretty simple. Alright, so what the kit comes with is it comes with the sight, it comes with a 3M heat shield, 3-volt lithium battery, a set of M3 mounting screws, and a set of M4. You only use the M4 if you have like a competition SIG or just the regular SIG P365 that you can mount stuff on. It's just the M3 screws is what it's threaded for, right? And then it comes with this little Allen key. So what I would do before you do any of this is when you get up in the back of it here, your two screws right here, I would get those heated up with a soldering iron for maybe 2-3 minutes a piece. The kit that it comes, or the Allen key that it comes with is not the greatest fit. It might fit perfectly on yours, but for whatever reason, mine were like German specs in there, Guten tight. So as soon as I started turning one to take the mounting bolts out, it stripped one of them. It just popped straight through, and then it's been hell trying to get it out. So if you have any questions about that, how to get out if you strip it, I can help you with that too, but I'll just make this one pretty straightforward. So I already took the rear mounting plate off the back and sight and mounting plate off the back. Put those screws and everything back in with the bags that the kit came in. Next thing you're gonna do is you want to take some alcohol, an alcohol swab or whatever, and wipe all this down here so that you don't have any oil or residue up on top here. All right, next you're going to take your heat shield, and this is just keeps the heat from coming up through the back of the slide into the sight. All right, so lining that up, it comes, you can see the edges of it are cut. So you want to take just the inner portion. There's a couple edges you don't need to take. As you can see right here, these edges stayed. I'm just going to get rid of those. I don't want to touch that bottom portion, obviously, or it won't be sticky. It got a little bit, but it should be all right. All right. And then we're just going to line them up over the holes here. Okay. 3M heat shield down. Next thing you're going to do, go ahead and take that sight, flip it over, and at this point you're going to install the battery. You'll see a positive side just has a little plus sign on it. The positive side is going to be facing the top of the slide. So you'll see the plus arrow as you put it in. And from there, take this barrel out here. It's not sticky on this side. Like I said, it's just heat shield. So go ahead and, whoops. Drop that in there. And then your M3. So the torque values for this particular application is 9 inch-pounds. I will put a link in the description for a firearms torque wrench kit, which is pretty awesome. I just don't have it. I don't do a ton of work, so. But 9 inch-pounds. Also, make sure you're putting some forward pressure on that sight when you're mounting it up. 9 inch-pounds, what it looks like with just a hand is as soon as the top of these mounting screws make contact with the polymer on the sight, it's about another 3/4 turn. This is all coming from SIG, so Make sure we're not cross-threaded. It's pretty easy to tell if you're cross-threading with just using 2 fingers or a thumb and a finger. So, keeping that forward pressure. It's nice that the kit comes with the Allen wrench. All right, so that's made contact. And then get contact with the left side, or the right side, rather. Keeping that pressure. That's made contact. So another 3/4 turn. I'm just gonna go 1/4 at a time. Left, right, left, right. 1/4. 1/4. 1/4.